Hello, everyone. My name is Adrian. Today going to present the main topic from English Unit 1. Welcome. In this unit, we learn greeting, introduction, jobs, the alphabet, and common objects. Mm, we learn greeting like hello, good morning, goodbye, and see you. We also learn how they introduce ourselves to chat messages. For example, hi, I, I'm from Colombia, or I am Colombian. Mm, another topic, job, learn vocabulary like doctor, teacher, waiter, and taxi driver. We also practice speaking about people and their occupation. We practice the alphabet and personal information. We learn how to spell names and ask questions like what's your name? How do you spell it? We use grammar to talk about common objects like wallet, notebook, case, and umbrella. We practice sentence using have and has. For example, I have two case and 3 parents. I have a phone and 2 books. She has a glass. This unit help beginners communicate in English using simple conversation. Introduction and everyday vocabulary. It is useful for real life situation and basic communication.